Today, it is simpler than ever to register a domain, provision DNS, and get your site live all from one screen. That level of flow and control was the core goal behind the new DNSimple Command Line Interface, or CLI. CLIs have become essential for AI integration and automation, so whether you have existing zones or a new domain, you can control all of DNSimple's tooling from one command. What is the DNSimple CLI? The DNSimple CLI covers the full DNSimple API. Register or transfer domains, manage DNS records, SSL certificates, DNSSEC, templates, and webhooks, all through a single command, whether you're at a terminal, in a script, or directing an AI agent. If you're not ready to jump straight into editing your infrastructure, use a read-only token to gain insights using analytics about domain renewals or certificate expiry dates. The CLI runs on macOS, Linux, and Windows. Installing it takes just one line via a script or a common package repository. Check the description below to get the latest version. How the CLI works. Easily complete a workflow that takes a fresh domain from zero to live, with DNS records, HTTPS, and Whois privacy, all without leaving the terminal. Log in with the auth command in your token from the DNSimple interface. Then, check the registrar's availability for a domain of your choosing and register it in seconds. Add a DNS zone to the domain, then add an A record pointing to your hosting service, as well as a CNAME record for the common www subdomain. Finally, add a Let's Encrypt certificate on your name, then double check your zone's distribution status. The CLI is designed to be comfortable, whether you're working interactively or wiring it into automation. When you're at a terminal, you get clean table output, shell completions, and named auth contexts that let you switch between production and sandbox accounts in a single command. When you're scripting, the JSON option gives you structured output that you can pipe directly into JQ for parsing. Using AI agents, you can utilize the DNSimple CLI to its fullest extent. You can have the agent run the AI command to learn how to use the CLI and reliably interact with the DNSimple platform. By leveraging this integration, automate complex domain and DNS management tasks using natural language. For example, an AI agent can interpret a request to register a domain and point it towards a web hosting service, formulate the proper commands, execute them, and parse the JSON response to confirm. With the DNSimple CLI, you can simplify building sophisticated and reliable automation for your infrastructure using agentic workflows. Developers live in the terminal, and switching to a browser to manage DNS breaks flow and introduces manual error. The CLI keeps your work where it already is. For automation, it gives CI pipelines and deployment scripts something far better than raw curl calls: structured commands, proper error handling, and multiple output formats. Teams that juggle production and sandbox accounts benefit from the CLI's context system, which lets you switch environments with one command. Add multiple accounts whether you are performing actions on production or testing things out on your sandbox account. Ready to try it out? Get the DNSimple CLI today by installing with the link in the description.